All right, let's try this. After listening to She Persisted by Chelsea Clinton, sort the words and context clues in the chart below. So this column is going to be for our unknown word. This column is going to be for the context clues that we're using to figure out what the unknown word means. And this column is what you think that unknown word means. So you're going to drag these boxes over to one of these two columns. Let's see. Our first unknown word is the word persisted. So we're trying to find the context clue that is used to figure out the word persisted. Here they gave you one of the answers already, the what I think it means. It means to keep trying even in the face of opposition. So if we were to look through these boxes, which one goes along with to keep trying? First is insulting or teasing. No. Unpopular. No. To show how badly people were being treated. Not quite. Refusal to work organized as a form of protest. It's very tiny, hard to see there. To bring groups into equal participation together. Not quite. Family, friends, and strangers. No. Or did not take no for an answer. I believe that did not take no for an answer is the best answer here. So we are going to drag that box up here to our context clue, because that is what was in the book. Next we have the word countless. Less is a word part. Let's see, we have what I think means so many that they cannot be counted. So which one of these goes along with that? Notice that I have blue here. So this column is going to be your blue answers. This column is going to be your purple answers. So since we've already answered one of the blue ones, we're going to do one of the purple ones together. So the word strikes. Helped win better pay, shorter hours, and safer working conditions. So would that be insulting or teasing? No. Unpopular? No. To show how badly people were being treated? Not quite. Refusal to work organized as a form of protest? Could be. To bring groups into equal participation together? Family, friends, and strangers? No. So our best answer here would be refusal to work, because we know that our context clue says help win better pay, shorter hours, and safer working conditions. So again, you are going to pair all of these boxes with either the context clue column, which is the blue column, or the what I think it means column, which is the purple column.